Guys, this is Ty from Early Birds Foundation. Mikey Mcbryan decided to pay a visit at the Early Birds Foundation, and we're showing him around all the airplanes. Let's have a look.
Car. They designed it that it would fit in a normal sized garage, so you just tow it behind your car, drive to the nearest golf club, fold out the wings, take off and go flying with your mate.
It's a little generator here?
Yeah, but because originally some of our aeroplanes didn't have a radio because they didn't need one, but they don't have a generator on the engine, therefore, and we needed the radio to function on this airfield. So to generate the electricity needed for the radio, we strapped we made these things completely ourselves and strapped them to the bottom of the airplane. You can see them on a lot of them.
It's quite crazy. So which one's your favorite? Sounds like all of them are your favorite.
I really love the de Havilland aeroplanes. And this is the Fleet Model 2. Actually, it's converted to a Model 7, but this is only 2 months younger than that one. So it's the second oldest flying aeroplane. The engine is now being redone. It is a 5-cylinder radial, but the pilot is in front and not in the rear. That's really unusual about this airplane. This airplane actually crashed in 1932 and they left it on a mountainside for a year. And then they thought, well, we'll just pick it up and make it flying again. And yeah, and we imported it from America and it's still flying here in its original registration number, in fact, November Charlie 724 Victor.
And the official data plate is still in the cockpit, you can see it.
Really?
It's slightly edited.
That's pretty cool.
And but this one, the engine is completely being redone. It's a very rare engine. It's a 5-cylinder Kinnan radial, and it was almost completely shot. So we decided to take it off, and somebody spent an entire year completely rebuilding that engine. Every single part has been done again, and it's almost finished. I spoke to the man this week, and he said we're only assembly, and then we'll pick it. Original aeroplane. We worked really hard. It has flown twice, and because it had some issues, and now we're working to sort those issues out. And it will.
How many people are working here?
It's quite quiet today, but usually there will be, I think, about 30 volunteers. 57. And if you can feel the controls, they're really light. Full aerobatic, yeah.
So many of the German pilots trained in this airplane before.
Usually you have a smaller engine, it's only a 100 horsepower engine. This one is 125. So it's even more, even more. And this one's also just finished. And this is our workhorse, this one. This one is used to train all the pilots, all the mechanics to do some flying around the country if you like. This one's also, it's a very simple, it's the parts are cheap, should everything go wrong. So this one's actually the one we use the most, so that's also why it's the most ugly, to be completely honest with you.
But it's very difficult conversion.
It works everything and it's very easy to learn. And that one is a car. That's my private project. And it's on my 13. Yeah. It's an original Buick. And it's the only one in Europe of this type, I think, I found out. And it's really lovely to drive. Just want to have a look at it. I can go ahead.
It's his pride.
Yeah. Can get in if you like. And I used to drive it around and to the McDrive actually.
Rotary engine.
Yeah. And this is it's a 4-liter engine that only produces 26 horsepower. But you can see it's all when it's turning. It's currently not working. I also would have completely demonstrated the engine, but the ignition is. I took the ignition out.
It was
It's fixed, but
That worked.
That's amazing.
Was live.
Yeah.
grease in it. You have to turn all the little things to grease it. Everything back.